Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies. I'm here today with an unboxing. This is from Your Creative Studio, and they sent me this box, and I am going to open it right now. I'm super excited to see what's inside. I've been meaning to make this video, but I haven't had time, so I really wanted to open it. All right, so let me go ahead and cut the tape here. Okay, so it looks like this is a bird themed box, which is great for me because I do a lot of nature journals, and like a bird ephemera would really fit well into that. But I've also wanted to start a collage book, and it would probably be in the form of a short video, and it would be posted on my TikTok. So I'm trying to collect enough things to start that, and I think this is going to be a great addition. All right, so as you can see, this is from Your Creative Studio. I will have a link down below to their website. Their little thank you card, super cute. I love this paper that it's wrapped in. I will definitely be reusing this. I love black and white images. Ooh, it looks like a lot, and it looks really cute. Okay, I can't wait to see what's in here. All right, I'm gonna save this paper. I think it's so cute. All right. Okay, I see some washi tape. Let me see the best way. I want to not just rip into everything. Super cute. There are birds on here. It's vertical. I'll definitely be able to use this. I'm going to add it to my washi collection. This looks like little cards that you can tear off. Super cute. This is going to be great just to add on to like a collage or something. And there are cards here. They're perforated. Another just really basic thing that you can grab and add to a collage. All right, these are butterflies. And they're like in the shape of postage stamps. You can see the way it's cut out. I don't have a lot of stamps, and obviously these aren't real stamps, but I think this is going to be really fun to use. I'm thinking of organizing this in a wallet that I have, and I might do that in a video, either on here or on TikTok. Some bird stickers here. And this is the kind of stuff I'm looking for because I really want to start doing collages, more like ASMR type collages. These look cute. They almost look like tabs, but I don't think that's what they are. So they're kind of like a torn edge, like a faux torn edge. So I think that'll be fun to use. Let me see if, yeah, so it's a sticker. And that's what I'm looking for. So that's going to be great. I hope you can't hear my stomach. This looks like a little booklet. And there are a variety of different pages. Okay, I can't wait to get started. I think I'm gonna make a little journal where I can use these in collages. These will be great for backgrounds. Okay, I think these are stickers. Yep, stickers. Okay, it looks like you can keep everything that was in here in this little envelope type thing, and more to collage with. Really cool. I feel like I have a lot on my plate and I really want to start using this. Because it's something I've been wanting to do for a while. Yeah, I can't wait to use this. This is like a cardstock. This is a sticker, I believe. And it'll be something kind of new for me. So that's a little bit scary, but also exciting. Comes with a little bit of twine right there. And here, this seems very delicate. Yeah, it's like decoupage paper. And here are some stamps. I don't have any bird stamps, so this is going to be really cool. Yeah, you use it like a clear stamp. So this side will just cling on to a block like this. Let's take it out really quick. Cool. All right, I'm gonna have to think of what I want to do for a collage, because I now have these. This is a lot. A lot really comes in this box. There's the washi tape, the stamps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different like papers or stickers. So this is a good way to build up a collection, because that's what I'm doing, and this is a great start for me. I do have some other things that I think I can use as part of this project. And definitely I'm gonna use this. I love these types of flowers. It's such cute packaging. But yeah, so when I can, I am going to probably make a journal. I don't know what size journal, not too big for this project. And I will do collages and see how I like it. It'll probably be a short on YouTube, and it'll definitely be on my TikTok. So thank you so much for watching today. I will leave a link for your creative studio down in the description box, and I hope you guys check them out and stay tuned for when I use these. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.